Did you know that your thyroid and your nervous system are in constant conversation? When your body lives in stress mode for too long, your thyroid may become overactive, leading to symptoms like anxiety, heart palpitations, excessive sweating, insomnia, and even weight loss. Hello, my queens. I am Lichani, a holistic health coach. Welcome to my channel. When I was diagnosed with hyperthyroidism over 20 years ago, every single doctor, every specialist I saw, they all said the same thing. We don't know the cause. We don't know what causes the condition. And back then, I just accepted it. But when I began to understand the nervous system and our body's stress responses, it finally made sense. You see, our thyroid doesn't just become overactive for no reason. You know, it's because of years of stress, of pressure, of being in survival mode. Your thyroid is a small gland which is the shape of a butterfly and is positioned right at the base of our neck. This small gland acts as the body's own internal speed regulator. It controls our metabolism, it controls our body temperature, our energy levels. It controls how fast or slow our body runs. When your nervous system is consistently stuck in fight or flight mode, rushing, worrying, overworking, the body thinks it's in danger. So it signals to the thyroid to speed things up, to keep you safe and ready. When that happens, the thyroid starts to secrete or release in excess of its hormone called thyroxine, which is the hormone that controls metabolism, body temperature, as well as energy levels. So it's the body's own way of saying we need to keep moving fast, be safe, and to be alert. But over time, that excessive rush of thyroxine can leave you feeling shaky, overheated, or just drenched in sweat. I remember for me, that was one symptom. That was how I found out that I had an overactive thyroid, because I would just be soaked in sweat for no reason. So that is the body's way of saying or showing that it has been in overdrive for way too long. That is why so many people with an overactive thyroid experience anxiety, heart palpitations, restlessness. It's not just hormones. It's an overstimulated nervous system. It's a dysregulated nervous system. And that is how it knows how to keep you safe. It's not sabotage, it's just what the nervous system knows to do to keep you safe. One simple way and quick way to start calming that system down is to remind your body that it feels safe now. Let us try this. Place one hand on your lower belly and the other hand on your chest, on your heart. We're going to take a nice deep inhale for a count of 4 and a long exhale with your mouth for a longer time, which is 6 counts. I will count with you. So let's do that. Take a nice deep breath in. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, a nice long exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw relax, and your heartbeat coming down. Your thyroid feels that too. It listens to every single signal the body sends to it. So when your body starts to feel safe, your thyroid starts to come down as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you